Hi. You guys probably could recognize me. I'm Monkey Cannon Johnson, and I have a channel, and I'm stealing my brother's phone. It's really funny. Well, I just want to tell you a few topics. Do you guys like Pokemon Go? Like, one second. It's loading. Well, it's a really fun app. It's called Pokemon Go, and you go around anywhere, finding little characters like Pikachu, any different kind of creatures. Sparrow, Sandshrew, all kind of rare and common and uncommon characters. It's really fun. See? Pokemon Go. Fun. Right? Well, I think it's fun. If you guys want to check out my channel, it's uploaded. Okay. Well, it's Monkey Cannon Johnson. And yeah. It's really funny. It's kind of. Ice cream. Do you guys like the new movies coming out, like Life of Pets and Finding Dory, BFG, all those movies, Tarzan? Tell me if you guys like those movies. Bye.